Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the sign language recognition using Python. So user have to run the Python file and it will open the login page, and let's enter the username and password. Then click on login button. It will open a home page where you can upload any image, and you can also work with the webcam. If you click on the webcam button, then the laptop front camera will open and try to detect the sign and predict the character and the word and give the suggestion of that particular sentence. Okay, so I'm showing the C and it will give the prediction like C. The word will be CCR. Okay, and suggestion will be like all other types. Okay, this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. And the last is exit button. When you click on the exit, it will close the software. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.